Unlock crystal clear audio for your Sony A7 IV by mastering external microphone integration. First, locate the microphone input port on your Sony A7 for it's typically a 35mm jack, usually found on the side of the camera under a flap. If your external microphone uses an XLR connector, you'll need an adapter cable to connect it to the camera's 35mm input. Ensure the cable is securely plugged into both the microphone and the camera. Now, power on your camera and navigate to the audio settings on the A7 IV. You can usually find this by pressing the menu button and scrolling through to the audio or sound section. Once in the audio settings, select external microphone as your input source. Then, you'll need to adjust the microphone input level. Start with a moderate setting, perhaps around 12 decibels. As you speak, or for your desired audio source, monitor the audio levels on the camera screen. You want the levels to peak around 6 to 12 decibels, will avoid clipping or distortion, while still ensuring a strong signal. For greater control, switch from auto gain to manual gain. This allows you to precisely set your amplification, preventing the camera from automatically boosting quiet sounds and introducing unwanted background noise. To minimize whine noise, especially when recording outdoors, explore the whine noise reduction or low-cut filter options within the camera's audio menu. Engage these settings to further clean up your audio. Crucially, always use headphones connected to your camera's headphone jack to monitor your audio in real time. This is your best tool for identifying any potential issues before they happen. With these steps, you're now equipped to capture professional sound audio for all your Sony A7 IV video projects, ensuring every word is heard with exceptional clarity.